Yes, today I will show you how to set your Instagram account to private account so that only approved followers can see what you share. Keep in mind that business profile aren't able to make their accounts private. If you want to make your business account private, first of all switch back to personal account. By default, your Instagram account is public and you can choose to make your account private at any time. When your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on Instagram. But when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos, your videos on hashtag, and your location, pages, and your followers and following lists. To make your account private, it's only 5 steps. First, launch your Instagram app. Secondly, tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Thirdly, tap in top right, then tap setting. Fourth, tap previous. Fifth, tap next to private account to make your account private. And now your account is private. So only approved friends can see what you post, what you share. It's simple and clear. Watch upcoming videos and stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Amen.